In this video, I will be sharing swatches of very popular shades from Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil. Like I have three shades: Serenity, Delight, and Honesty. Like all these three shades are loved globally by people of different skin colors from different countries. Whether you should be splurging on these Rare Beauty Lip Oil or not, are these like really worth your money? Are these really worth the hype? Because when these were launched, people around the globe went gaga. Like a certain section of people went crazy over this, while others were like, Koreans have been making this from ages, what's the new? So I will share everything in this video, like if there are any dupes around this or not. Like let me tell you, the Roman lip tints, at least the popular ones which you see on the internet, are not dupe of this one. I have found one Korean lip tint which are very similar to these Rare Beauty lip oil. So anyways, let's get started with the swatches and review part. First shade that I'm swatching on my lip is the Delight. This is more like a mauvey brown. Wait, yeah, you can see the color of this Delight is very similar to my own lips, like my lips but better kind of shade. So this one has brownish, mauvish, pinkish undertone to it. And if you like cool tone, mauvish, pinkish lip tints, you might like this shade. So let me first apply it. For the pigment, I'll say these are not heavily pigmented lip tints, but they do have good amount of pigment. I mean, you can still see the dark color on my upper lip and not so much here. So it doesn't have that high pigment, but yeah, somewhere around moderate. And as soon as you apply it on your lips, you do get that cooling minty feel on your lips, like nice hydrating cooling minty feel. But these don't plump your lip, and surprisingly, if like you end up like licking them or eating them, they don't taste bitter like so many lip tints or lipstick. They in fact have this sweet taste to it. But don't eat your lip tints. I'm just sharing it for the review purpose. With every other application, like reapplication, after like 2-3 minutes, it only darkens and darkens and turn into like a dark brown mauvish color. So this is how it looks. I think it's been good 3 minutes. So I think I can now do the transfer check. There's hardly any color get transfer. All you see is the moisture. Like after 3-4 minutes, only the moisture and the oil in this lip tint gets transferred. The tint just settles into your lips and stays like until you remove it. So I don't know, I'm not able to find my bi-phased solution to remove it. Like to remove this fully, you will need like a bi-phased solution kind of remover like you get from the Etude, and there is one from Garnier as well. Like this is from Bioderma. I have the one from Garnier, but I can't find the bottle. I'll just use this. I mean, these like literally stick to your lips. See, they don't get removed. Whether you are eating, drinking, the stains just stay. With time, as you eat more, as you like, eat your food and drink water, like whatever, with time it does fade away a bit, but it still stays on your lip. The only problem is the fading is not uniform. I mean, the where you have lighter lip color, it's gonna be more prominent over there, but on the darker parts, it's not gonna be that obvious. So the next shade that I'm going to swatch is the Honesty. So this Honesty is like a neutral toned light brown, like light medium brown. The previous one, it was Delight. This Delight had a cool undertone, and this Honesty has neutral undertone. So that's like another difference between the colors. You can see it's like a plain brown without any pinkishness or without any orangish color to it. So if you are into like neutral browns, like neutral light medium brown, this is your color. This particular shade is something that I need to apply in 2-3 layers for it to be visible on my lips. So I'm doing that. So this is the shade Honesty. Sometimes even I get confused what I have applied. One thing I do like about these is moment you apply them on the lips, like initially your lips look smooth, they just appear more healthy, but with time this moisture just goes away. You will have to like reapply. This juicy look stays only like, you know, until you eat or drink something, or at least till like initially 20-30 minutes. And I don't know whether you have noticed or not, while I was talking it has already darkened. So yeah, this is Honesty. Like now you can see it's not looking that brownish. It's looking more like a brownish peachy color. Like it has left some pigment on my lips. So this last shade that I want to swatch is the Serenity. So let's apply. The Serenity also has that pinkish color to it. So this shade Serenity is like cool toned medium pink. Like on some skin tone it can look very dark, like if you have very fair skin this can look like a very vibrant bright pink, and if you fall into like medium tan skin it can look like medium intensity or a light pinkish kind of color. This is like a proper cool tone pink, and compared to the previous two shades, this is the more pigmented shade. It's more darker and leaves more prominent tint on your lips. And I feel if you have very pigmented or dark lips, it's better you get the Serenity if you are into like pink color, because this is gonna be more visible on your lips. Your money, like, you know, the money that you have invested in this costly lip oil, it's gonna be like visible on your lips. Like, see, if you have dark lips, pigmented lips, and if you end up getting Honesty, you will feel like as if you have wasted money, because I feel out of these three, the shade Honesty is like least pigmented. It's not that visible on darker lips. So get the Honesty if you are into very neutral colors, or if you have like very fair skin tone and you don't have very pigmented lips. So this one, the Honesty, is suitable best for fair to medium skin tone with not much pigment on the lips. And this shade Delight, I feel, is quite suitable for people of different skin colors. Like if you are fair, this might look very pinkish, and if you are towards the darker side, it can look like a mauvish brown. So this basically, the Delight is like a combination of Honesty and Serenity. And now if I like do the transfer test, this does transfer a bit, but still you can see there is so much pigment on the lip. There is some transfer. The lighter shade transfer less and the darker shade transfer more, but you will have to wait for like at least 3-4 minutes for it to like settle into your lips. Everything, and the color is still on my lips, but my lips are looking more dry now because that moisture has like completely gone away. They somehow don't have any fragrance, like they smell like a Fevicol. So once you have gotten this tint on your lips, like it's not budging anywhere, you can reapply these tint itself, but I will not recommend it, because with every application it's gonna leave back one more layer, and this layer is gonna look very darker and very weird towards the end of the day. So for the reapplication purpose, it's better you get a plain gloss or plain lip balm and just apply it. My lips are looking more healthier now, more juicy and hydrated now, with also the color. So coming to the dupe of these Rare Beauty tinted lip oil, I have found one. Like these Roman ones are not the dupe. For instance, this lasting water tint has more watery feel to it, like compared to this Rare Beauty. The Rare Beauty has more oily feel to it. And on the other hand, if I compare the finish of Rare Beauty lip oil with the Roman Juicy Lasting Tint, many people have said that these are like dupe, but they are not. The Juicy Lasting Tint has more a creamier feel to it, and Rare Beauty has more oilier feel to it. But the one which I feel is very similar to this is the Clio Crystal Glam Tint. Like they both have very similar feel, both have that oiliness to it, both have that smoothness to it, and both of these lip tint do oxidize after some time. I'm gonna apply this Clio one, and it's again like a very neutral peachy brown. Like just ignore the pinkish color which you will see beneath this because of the tint. I really cannot do anything. I will have to wait for an entire day for this to fade away. This is still looking more pinkier because of the residue which I had on my lips. But you can see that the finish on the lips, that plumpiness on the lip, that juiciness on the lip is very similar to the Rare Beauty one, like minus that cooling feel, minus that sweet taste of it. They are quite similar look wise. The Clio one is more creamy, oily. This one is more like a water oily feel on the skin. So yeah, Clio one feels a bit heavier than the Rare Beauty one. That's like another difference. I mean, if you ask me honestly, there's no lip tint, at least as of now, which is like same, like 10 on 10 same like a Rare Beauty one. They're nice, I do like them, but if you are on tight budget, you don't have the budget to splurge 2,500 on lip oil, then don't waste your money. Like save that money for a good lipstick, which I feel you are gonna like use for good events or functions in your family. Like this will look like for a good event or for a good gathering of family events. People might ask, what are you putting on your lips? It's looking weird towards the end of the day. If you have the budget, like 2-3 thousands are not big deal for you, you're okay with that, your pocket is like comfortable with that, it's gonna not shake up your monthly budget, then definitely like go and try and get one shade. Like one shade should be enough to get that experience and feel on the lip. You really don't need all the different shades, because towards the end of the day they pretty much look same. And do I like them? Yeah, they're nice. I purchased them, so I do ensure that I'm using them sometime, but I personally don't reach out to them that much because I don't like that oxidized look on my lips towards the end of the day. And I do like Delight the most. I do use it very often. Yeah, so that's like my number one shade, and the second one is like Honesty, and the third one would be like Serenity. This was all about this Rare Beauty lip oil swatches. Initially I thought of making this as a quick 4-5 minutes video sharing just the swatches, but I was like, it might not be that helpful, and I'm sure this is gonna turn into a good 10-12 minutes video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.